Welcome to your 1 minute meditation. The idea behind this 1 minute meditation is to create a habit. Many people find it difficult to meditate for 20 minutes or even 5 minutes, but 1 minute will help you to create a habit that will get you to the 20-minute meditation. 1 minute, 3 times a day, first thing when you wake, 1 midday, and 1 in the evening. Every day, consistently, will help you to get in the habitual pattern of meditating. And normally and organically, you'll want to start meditating for longer and longer periods of time with ease. You won't have to force yourself. You'll want to meditate more. So in this meditation, you will breathe in through your nose, into your diaphragm, into your stomach for a count of 3. And then you will hold it there for a count of 3, and then you will breathe out for a count of 5. When you breathe in through your nose, and your stomach should expand because you're bringing all the air into your stomach, into your diaphragm, not into your chest. You want deep belly breaths. Exhale through your mouth, and you want to get all that air, squeeze it out of your diaphragm so that you can get a deeper breath in through your nose for the next round. Okay, let's sit up in a chair, nice and comfortable, spine straight. Let's roll our head around clockwise and counterclockwise. Get your neck nice and loose. Open and close your jaw. Get your jaw nice and loose. And just roll your shoulders forward and back. Get those nice and loose. You can twist your body side to side in the chair, also to get your back nice and loose. Now let's sit up and close your eyes. Okay, let's begin. Inhale through your nose for 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now breathe normally. You can open your eyes whenever you're ready. You've completed your 1 minute meditation. You can continue breathing, doing this breathing pattern for as long as you want, or you can move on with your day. We also have this same meditation without the instructions in the beginning for people that no longer need it. The link is in the description below. Have a wonderful day.